A lot of people know that trading is very difficult, and very often people try to time the markets. The best way to build wealth is not to time the market, it's actually to spend a lot of time in the market, because wealth is built on the long run. What comes rapidly could go rapidly. However, if you play this very smart in cycles and you try to be able to invest every day with a dollar cost average in, but as well out, then you'll probably be able to build a sustainable amount of wealth. With SwissBorg, we put the hard work to make sure that this is possible. So if you go into the tab Invest right now, you just need to then tap on Auto Invests, and you could start investing in whatever you want. Like, let's say I want to start investing into a token that I like. It's called Maker, which is a great DeFi token. I could then start saying, what should I do? Is every day? Should I put like $100 every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month? In this case, I could do, let's say, every week, and choose the day, I would say every Sunday. Every Sunday I want, or maybe every Monday. Every Monday, and the time, it doesn't really matter. I mean, okay, why not? I could put the time, let's say at this time, 10:56. And I want to buy with Swiss francs. In this case, I would say every week I will put, let's say 200 francs, and that's done. Within a fraction of some time is that every Monday I'll be buying essentially Maker for 200 francs. So that means if I keep this strategy going on for 1 year, I will have more than 10,000 francs by the end of the year that I'll be investing. And of course, hopefully, Maker will be doing some nice percentage. And you could do that the other way around too. Like if you thought the heat that you did a lot of great performance, you could sell off obviously everything, but you could start selling as well every week or every day or every month or whatever you feel is convenient. These are the good ways to really, again, be able that you play the market on the longer run, and you're able to really build up your positions, deleverage your position, and take some profits. And this is the most beautiful way to build your wealth. I've been using it. I'm a big fan of it.